Oh man, yeah, I know. Y'all keep wondering why I always laugh, right? I'm telling you, it's not that people wake up every day. I don't know how you wake up, but for me, when I wake up, I try to say to myself, today's going to be a positive day. I am going to change somebody's life. I am going to do everything, okay, just to make sure somebody says, thank you, MMJ. You made up my day. You know, I'm going to help somebody. That's the difference between me and a lot of people, okay? I don't, how do I say it? I don't just wake up and say, you know what, I am going to, be grumpy about what. No. I'm going to help somebody. I'm going to try to be positive no matter what. That's the first thing I say every time I wake up in the morning. That's why you see me, I'm always laughing, okay? But anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of water from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at market performance for the past for the past 24 hours. Trumpicious, magicious. I told you guys, man, magicious never fail. Never fails, okay? But anyways, yeah, we might look at the market performance for the past 24 hours, okay? After that, we'll take a look at our prices in details, and right after that, we'll check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? Yeah, man. I don't know about you, but shit, my Lambo, I can almost taste it. I can almost taste my Lambo. I can almost do that, okay? But anyways, before that, let's continue. Let me tell you, okay? Casper, I keep telling you guys, is your doorway to generational wealth. And every day, Casper comes out with something brand new. You know, development is happening, okay? So many times I told you, stablecoins, right? Stablecoins they change the way things work in a blockchain or on a block DAG or any type of L1 that you want to talk about. Today, we found out that Casper is going to have an additional type of stablecoin. You guys already know we have the gigawatt, which is based on the energy, right? The Middle East, they're about to use it once it goes live. Now we found that Asia is also working on another type of stablecoin backed by gold, which will be put on Casper. Massive. I'm telling you guys, you don't believe me when I tell you that Casper is a $10 coin. Guys, this thing, you have USDT, USDC, which again, yeah, we already know they're going to be on Casper. I told you when I started this channel, remember I told you 95% of transactions that happen in this crypto space are going to happen on Casper when this thing goes live. And you guys did not believe me. I'm telling you, shout out for Crypto Crew. Well, Crypto Crew, he's the one has more details about this. I do have it, but you have to go and read it. Crypto Crew already made a video about it. So let me just play a little clip, okay, about it using our Crypto Crew channel. If you want to watch the entire thing, you can go over there on his channel and watch it. But let me just play a little clip, okay? Watch this.
Here, make it big. crew, there's a new challenger entering the ring, USDKG. Watch this, crypto crew.
So USDKG is a stablecoin. It's a private initiative based out of Kyrgyzstan. We have deep support from the government. It's backed and endorsed by the government. And essentially, the country wants to rival the stablecoins that we have out there, because you look at USDT, the problems that it has in Europe. Circle is a little bit better. USDC, of course, is a little bit better, but they have their own issues. And we are a stablecoin that is pegged to the dollar, but backed by gold. Gold from the Ministry of Finance of Kyrgyzstan. All our reserves are backed by verifiable gold, right? Real physical gold stored in vaults. And that's different from any other token. We're not a gold token like PAX-G or things like that. We're a dollar-pegged stablecoin, all backed by gold.
What if the most trustworthy digital currency wasn't built in Silicon Valley? Deep in Central Asia, a bold experiment is unfolding. In a country where cash is still king. Okay, so cash only. They've launched something revolutionary, a gold-backed stablecoin issued under government oversight.
Мы государство, которое не имеет доступа к морю. Цифровые технологии – это лучшая дорога к внешним рынкам.
Can a small nation rewrite the rules of money? Gold, blockchain, Central Asia. This isn't just another crypto project. It's a test case for the future of finance.
This is bull.
If you want to, okay, you can go ahead. Let me exit this out. You can go ahead on your crypto crew and watch the entire video. But what I'm trying to tell you, when you start seeing this kind of things happen, it's like, yeah, I told you, generational wealth is going to be on Casper. Generational wealth. Central Asia, you know, people don't always agree with the US dollar and all that stuff. People don't agree with that. Now they're coming up with a stable coin backed by gold on Casper. Let that sink in for a second. Okay, let it sink in. For those of you who are always right now, I told you guys, chase the trends. Don't chase the green candles. Chase the trend. The trend is going to lead you to those green candles you are waiting for. Okay? Look. Giga was stablecoin number one. And then you have gold-backed stablecoin number two. Then you have USDT, USDC. Look at how much people trust gold right now. What do you think will happen when they start to find out there is a stablecoin backed by gold and nations are endorsing it? What do you think will happen? And it's on top of the fastest block DAG or blockchain, whatever you want to call it. What do you think will happen? The volume will be insane. When I say insane, it's going to be mind-blowing. And this is why, if you do remember, it was like 8 months ago, before these projects even started coming out. Go watch my videos. I was telling you this will happen. I was telling you, even until now, only people have started to realize. People have started to make videos about it. Go watch my videos. 8 to 9 months ago, I was telling you this will happen. Right? See? I told you. And yet, you don't want to see, because most people, they are not following the trends. They are looking for green candles. And I've told you so many times, if you chase green candles, you are going to get hot potatoes. That's that, my friend, that is the simple truth about it. There's no two ways. That's the simple truth about it. If you chase green candles, you are gonna get hurt. Okay, you will get hurt. And don't say I did not tell you. So many projects, right? I can count. How many of them I've brought to you to this channel and I tell you stay away? Because you try to chase those green candles, you get hurt, right? You got rug pull. Latest one, ZBCN. Go look at it. What's happening? But yet, here we are. You are going to see, trust me, somebody's going to come on my on my what you call it, on my channel tomorrow, and talk about, oh, look at this, look at that. You're about to see it. Somebody's about to come over there and talk about price instead of staying chill, normal, because Casper is growing organically. For those of you chasing for price, I told you it's coming. From May 5th, start paying attention to price. And you see this long sideways going from 5 cents to 7, and we're still doing this, okay? When this thing blows, I told you, pay attention. July, August, maybe September. Pay attention. And a lot of people still are not paying attention to it, right? Okay, excuse me for a second. Yeah, sorry about that. Now, let me show you again, okay? When I said pay attention to those months, okay? Look, this is the entire cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency market. Let me zoom it out. What do you see? You see that MACD. Okay, pay attention in the past. Okay, pay attention in the past. Look at the MACD, okay? Do you see exactly here? When the MACD cross, look at the price. See? Do you see that? Okay, now look at where we are right now. Even every time, I'm trying to show you every time that MACD cross. Oh, sorry about that. Let's take this one out. Every time that MACD cross, look at what happened to the price. See? Here. Now look at the price. Do you see it? And I'm telling you, and this is on the monthly time frame. Okay, weekly, monthly, any way you want to look at it, either weekly time frame or monthly time frame, look at it. Okay, now look what's happening right now. Can you see it? What's happening right now? I told you, man, listen, this July, August, maybe September, you are about to see this market do the unthinkable. Okay, this on the weekly time frame. Sorry, you're about to see it, and everybody and their grandmama, they are not paying attention. Okay, and this is how I usually tell you guys, pay attention, because right now it might seem, oh yeah, he's not doing this, maybe it's going up a little bit, but I'm telling you, this is about to catch everybody and their grandmama off guard. You're about to make money, but what do you want to make? Are you just going to make money for, for you to be okay for this run and call it a day? Or do you want to make money for generations? What do you want to make? If you want that generational wealth, I'm telling you, pay attention to Casper. The development that is coming on to Casper right now is mind-blowing. But for the next 3 months, like I told you guys, let's check. Let's look at this. XRP. Trust me, I think XRP is going to run between $4 to $6. That's XRP for me. If you ask me for Crashilandia, Solana, I think Solana is going to run between probably $600 to $700, thereabout. That's where I think it will go. Cardano, yeah, I don't think that thing will go any far. Okay, maybe probably try to go $1 or $1 something. I don't think it will go far enough. Ethereum, if you ask me, looking at my chart, I think Ethereum will hit that $7,000 or thereabout. That would be a miracle. And the reason why I'm telling you it will be a miracle is because Casper, guys, a lot of people underestimate what Casper is bringing to the table. A lot of people don't realize that Casper, when those smart contracts go live in a few weeks time, well, you will figure out. You will know. There is something like I've been talking about it, and people sometimes they call me crazy. Some people call me a moon boy. Some people say this and that. But I'm telling you, the projects coming on Casper, plus those of them migrating over, Casper is something that you don't want to close your eyes on. You want to look at it. You want to have it. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm telling you, guys, this is my millionaire journey. I'm going to televise it, and I will show you how I go from 0 to a millionaire status. I wish I had started this channel when I was buying my Bitcoin. That way, it will start from there. But unfortunately, I didn't think about televising it. Okay, but now look at the developments coming out. Casper has started to show its teeth. Casper has started to show. I'm telling you guys, because these nations going behind Casper, it reminds me of when people say, oh, Bitcoin is adopted by this nation, Bitcoin is doing this by this nation. But again, Bitcoin cannot be a form of cash. It cannot. When everybody and their grandmama start to discover Casper, that Casper can do this, Casper is fast, Casper is that, you will see. I'm telling you, Casper is going to give you a run for your money when that time comes. When it comes. So yeah, you can make you a few money. You can make you some money, yeah, with Solana, with XRP, with blah, blah, blah. Like I told you, for the next 2 to 3 months, the whole market is going to run. You don't want to believe me, that's you. Because I'm telling you, after August, September, I don't know about you, but me, I will be looking at the market very, very closely. If those bearish signs show even a little bit of their head, it's time to close shop. I don't know about you, but everything written on the wall is showing that, yeah, you might want to pay attention to those months. You might want to pay attention, okay? So yeah, Casper is the underdog. Is the underdog. You don't hear people. You hear like when you see Solana and the Sui and the rest of them, they have stable coins. Yeah, USDT, USDC. But none of them has a stable coin backed by gold. Gold that government can come out and really be like, yeah, listen, you can audit it. I have it. Nothing that is fictitious in the middle of the air. No, I have it. Pay attention, and people still, they are chasing green candles. I told you, all you need, you should have started like before May, 10,000 Caspers, right? Start right there. It's not gonna make you rich, but it will put you into that circle. 10,000 Caspers. That's how you need to start with. If you're planning on being rich with Casper, then start with probably 50,000 or 100,000. But if you want to start that journey, 10,000 Caspers. A lot of people will ask me, okay, what will it do? How will it help me out? And guys, it's that simple. I don't know what your strategy is, but my strategy is always simple. Even when I get paid at work, okay, I cut my paycheck into 4. I cut it into 4. 1/4 goes into my savings account. 1/4 goes into my rainy days account, like if I need an emergency funds, into there, and the other 1/4 goes into investing, and the last 4/4 it goes into paying bills and having stuff with my kids needs, anything, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Okay. Now, when it comes to Casper, I'll give you an example. Okay, 10,000 Caspers, for example. Casper goes up there $5. Let's just use $5, because I'm telling you, everybody's calling $1, $3. I think Casper will cut through $3 like a hot knife going through hot butter. I'm gonna use $5 for example, because if I use 10, a lot of you will not believe me. Okay, that's fine. But let me use a number that is in the middle. $5. Casper goes to $5. You have $50,000. Okay, 50 grand. Entire market. You have a choice. You can cut that into half, go get crazy, go on a vacation, pay for your car, put your down payment for house, whatever, and the other half you keep. Okay, price goes down, let's just say from $5, like a retracement, back to $1. You take all that $25,000, buy again. Now, instead of 10,000 Caspers, you are starting with 25,000 Caspers. And you guys know, I told you the other video, cryptos like Casper, they never go back down to the price where they started. It's just like Bitcoin. High, higher low. Higher low. That's how they go. Which means, for example, if Casper's all-time high was $5, that's this season, next season you might be looking at $15. You understand? So 25,000 multiply that by 15. See, you repeat the same process again. Either you cut it in half, do something with it, and the other half you hold again, or you just, you know what, that's it, I'm just going to sell the entire thing, hold it, market comes back down. Let's just say market goes from $15 all the way back down to what, $4 or $5. You reinvest the whole entire thing again. Now instead of 25,000 Caspa, you are starting with even 3 or 4 times the amount of Caspa you started. And trust me, when the market goes all-time high by the third cycle, it's not going to be $15. It's probably going to be $30 or $40 or even $50. You repeat the same thing again. Now you have your foot into that cycle. You are going from zero to a millionaire status. I'm telling you, do not look at the price of Casper right now. It doesn't make any sense. Casper's ecosystem is not live. The only thing going on Casper right now is peer-to-peer money transfer. People are sending money back and forth. And as we already know, the regulations, pay attention, July 22nd. Okay? July 22nd, regulations from the White House about cryptocurrencies will be clear. The Clarity Act is going to come out July 22nd. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. A lot of these cryptos are going to go to shit. Okay, and then a lot will start making sense with this Clarity Act, because like they're trying to push so that coins like Bitcoin, like Casper, and a bunch of them who were not held by VCs and do something like that, they are not securities. Okay, so yeah, it is happening. It's happening right in front of our eyes. What I have been talking about for almost 9 months is happening. That's why I am so excited right now. I can't wait, man. I can't wait. It is happening. You will see, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you. You go over there, go chase green candles, and you get left holding the hot potatoes. Do not complain. I am telling you where the money is. I'm telling you guys. Wink, wink. Casper. Guys, Quant, look over there. And nobody's paying attention. Instead of doing that, they are looking at meme coins. I told you guys, look, a meme coin, the price up is not guaranteed, okay? But the price down on a meme coin is what is guaranteed. Therefore, you guys will see. I don't know. Maybe I'll go into meme coins when I start shorting the markets so that you guys will understand what I'm talking about. Okay? Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how how the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. Okay? Let's see. My good friend Crypto Bubble. This guy right here. What we got going on? Because again, everybody and their grandmama, they still don't understand when I tell you, pay attention to July and August, right? Maybe September. People don't want to understand that. Bam, there you go. Bitcoin is doing his thing. All coins do it the same with him. See what I'm telling you? It's not going to trickle down. It is not. I'm telling you, it's not going to trickle down, guys. Well, what do I know, right? You will see. Anyways, now let's go look at KAS, King Kaspa. Let's see what we got going on here. For the past hour, Casper is up 0.1%, 0.4% down on the day, 2.1% up on the week, 13.6% down on the month, and 52.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.99 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $71.59 million. Looking at Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. What we got going on? 0.1%, okay, for the past hour, up 0.3% down on the day, 2.4% up on the week, 9.9% down on the month, and 55.1% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.56 billion and the 24 hours volume traded at $13.75 million. Okay, looking at Cubic, high risk, high reward. Let's see what we got going on. We have 1.5% up the last hours, 1% up on the day, 2.4% down on the week, 6.7% down on the month, and 47.9% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $160.02 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $1.53 million. Okay, can adjust me JAS. Okay, Japanese Bitcoin, 0.4% down the last hour, 0.9% down on the day, 7% down on the week, 15.5% down on the month, 47.7% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $582.32 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $20.81 million. Okay, as you can see, I told you, Just me is not going to make a move until Bitcoin goes above that $110,000, $112,000, right? You're about to see it. Anyways, now we're looking at the big guy, the orange guy. We have 0.3% down the last hour, 0.3% down on the day, 1.8% up on the week, 1.9% up on the month, and 93.5% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.15 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $21.35 billion. You see, this is what I'm telling you. See, the hourly and the daily time frames are down. Bitcoin is down, and look at altcoins. I'm telling you, money is not going to trickle down. The problem here is that a lot of people are expecting to see what has been happening on the other times, on the other cycles, but that is not what's going to happen this cycle. This cycle is different. It's controlled by the macro economy. Follow the money, guys. Follow the money. If you look right now, all the gains that people are making in Bitcoin, they don't go to altcoins. They don't. They are going to either stock market or crypto stocks. I told you guys this. This is things that I trace. If you want to, again, I'm not your financial advisor. Go do your own research. You will see it. They are going into the crypto ETFs and all that stuff that is going on, because big money, they have found how to, steal the cookie from the cookie jar right in front of your nose. And a bunch of you don't even see it. A bunch of you don't even see it. They know that if you make a poll right now, and ask everybody, when do you think the market is going to top out? When do you think the altcoins are going to come in? 99.9% of the people will tell you November, December, because that's what they're used to, right? Like sheep. They're used to that. But look at the trends. The trends are showing us there is a potential that the market will top out this July, August, or September. They are showing us that. I'm telling you, Bitcoin is gearing up as we speak right now. By August or September, you might see Bitcoin at that $160,000, $170,000. You might see that. I'm telling you, I just showed you one of the charts, right? It is coming out. It is being clear. That chart, if you go look at it again, that move don't normally happen. In the previous cycle, it didn't happen until that November, December time. But it is happening right now in July. This cycle. I'm telling you, a lot of people will be left holding that hot potato. Trust me. There will be. Okay? Excuse me for a second. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, many people are still over there just, I don't get it. You're looking for Wahala where there is no Wahala. You're looking for trouble instead of looking for a peaceful day. Look at the writings on the wall. Look at it. I see people piling up on Ethereum. But guys, well, you know what? You're about to find out. Right? The best the best teacher is the experience. You're about to find out once Casper get those smart contracts. It's about to start making sense. When I tell you Casper to $10, and a lot of you don't believe it, watch. You're about to see. Anyways, yeah, let's go right quick. Let's go look at my positions, okay? I know a lot of you don't. I know a lot of people are waiting to see me in Rec City while I'm laughing about it, okay? But anyways, before we do that, guys, I don't condone leverage trading. please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, okay? Or else you will be holding that hot potato. You'll be juggling that thing. You will be juggling that thing, okay? Do not chase green candles. Well, I'm not your financial advisor. If that's what you want to do, go ahead and do it. But don't say I didn't warn you, because you already know me. I am going to laugh at you. I'm going to laugh. Don't say it's just my nature. I'm going to laugh at you, okay? I'll be like, I'm going to laugh. I'm going to laugh at you. Don't say I didn't warn you. I will laugh. Okay. Anyways, yeah, let's go right to look at my positions. Okay. If you want to join leverage trading, down below, I do have Bydfi, which I do recommend for beginners. I have Phemex, Margex, and Wix Exchange. Sign up using those links. Once you do, please meet their deposit requirements. If you meet them, they're going to give you free money. Don't rush, guys. I usually say this as a trader. I don't know about you, but for me, I will rather miss that entry before I lose money. Okay, take out $50 and practice how to open up how to open a position, how to take partial profit, 100% profits, stop loss if you use them. Me, I don't. But anyways, all those stuff, practice. Trust me, you want to, because it's easier. It's better to make a mistake with $50 versus you making a mistake with thousands of dollars. Trust me, if you make mistake with thousands of dollars, one, you miss the opportunity of future trading. Two, you lose your money. And three, you become the most respected resident in Rec City. That's what will happen. Don't say I didn't warn you. Okay. Anyways, now let's start first with my Bydfi. You guys know on Bydfi, I am trading King Kaspa, and I am also trading Quant. As you guys can see today, I am still almost hovering sideways. My overall is still at $12,300. Okay. If you look at my contracts, let it load up. Okay. You see my Casper, yeah, it's hovering the same way. It's still at 61%. It's just going between minus 61 and 62% down, which is $5,500. If you look at my Quant, see, it's also still almost the same, 4-5% in positive, which is $500. So yeah, market is still going sideways. I'm telling you, it is getting ready for that pop. Okay, you're about to see this thing run. That's what's about to happen. Now, oh crap, I did this thing the wrong way. Well, let's look at prices in details first, okay? Let's see, trading view. Yeah, I lost it. I lost it right there. I lost it. Let's see, trading view. Okay, first we want to look at correlation. What do we have going on here? Yeah, no, that's not what we want to see. This is not what we want to see. We want to see Bitcoin going in one direction and the US dollar, the Dixie, going in another direction. This is not what we want to see. Yeah, it's not right. Okay, now looking at the let's see, first of all with Kaspa, we see first, see, I told you guys yesterday, that's exactly what's happening, right? Kaspa is just doing his thing. He's going to go again to retry this resistance that we have going on at that 7.5-8 cents. Let's see if we break it this time. Okay, that's what's happening, slowly and grinding. Nothing has changed yet. Like I told you, the thing is just going sideways. Okay, if you look at it on the 4-hourly, even when you zoom out, look, see, it's a bull flag. That's what's happening. There's nothing more than that. It's a bull flag that is coiling and coiling, going sideways. This thing is about to blow. Okay, now if you look at it on the daily, let's see, daily is the same. There's nothing changed. Okay, if you want to ask me, I will say it again. Price target, first one is 10 cents, second one 15 cents, after that 18 cents, after that we have 19 cents, and last but not the least we have 20 cents. Then price discovery, that's what will happen. Okay, now If you go ahead and start looking at Quant, let's see if anything has changed since yesterday, although I don't think so, because it looks like it's going sideways. Quant, this one, let's see, the 1 hourly, same. See, Quant is going sideways. I'm telling you, it's calling up. 4 hourly, the same way. Bull flag going to the tightest, and it's going to the apex. It's about to take off. Okay, look at it on the daily. Yeah, see, nothing has changed since yesterday. Sideways. So yeah, that's why I wanted to skip the prices in details today, because nothing has changed since yesterday. We are just going sideways, and this thing is getting ready to I mean, like, pop off like you ever seen. Okay, so let's see right quick. Let's see Bitcoin, let's see BTC. On Bitcoin, let's see on the 1 hourly, what do we have? Yeah, the same thing, sideways, right? There's nothing changed. Let's see on the 4 hourly, see if anything changed. Nothing other than, you know, higher lows. Like I told you, wink wink, you go past my green line, we start to go. Okay, don't pay attention to the red line, because since our magician, Trumpicius Magicius, postponed the deadline, so we about to move that red line to August the 1st. Okay, so everything is still moving, just like I told you guys yesterday. Nothing has changed. Okay, anyways, now let's continue where we was on the price on my positions. Okay, you guys already know, like I was telling you, yeah, my Quant position is just hovering. We are still going sideways. I'm still up 4 to 5%, which is $500. Now, if you go look at my Phemex, which I'm trading King Casper, and the Japanese Bitcoin, you will see that there, my overall, I am still up $6,200. Okay, the same thing, it's not moving at all. And if you look at my contracts, you will see Jasmine, I am still down 82%, just like it was yesterday. 82%, which is $9,000. Kaspa 24%, which is $1,000. Nothing has changed there neither. Okay, I'm telling you, the market, it looks like it's calling up. It's about to do something violent. That's what it looks like. Now, look at, last but not the least, we do have my Wix exchange here. I am trading King Casper, and I am in a competition using Quant, as you already know. My overall today is sitting at almost $5,000. And if you look at my contracts, you will see that here, for my Quant, I am still up 112%. Nothing has changed since yesterday. 118%, which is 1,600. And for Casper, 11% down, which is $200. Nothing has changed. So yeah, it is getting ready. I do have this feeling that something big is about to happen in the cryptocurrency industry. You guys are about to see, because I told you, pay attention to July, August, even maybe September. Okay, something is about to happen. This thing is about to surprise a bunch of people in a way that we were not waiting for. Okay, if you want to, yeah, sleep on it, watch everybody else get rich, but don't say I didn't warn you. Casper is developing, guys. Every day, the projects that are coming on Casper, they are, I don't know, guys. Even tomorrow I'll probably cover it, because the news about the Uniswap version 3 coming up on Casper, and you guys know exactly what Uniswap did to Ethereum. It's coming on Casper, and yeah, I can only see the future of Casper being bright. Generational wealth, friends, generational wealth. Don't say I didn't warn you. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, and turn on your notification bell. I am very, very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about today. Okay, and don't forget to share, so that other millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we can watch these videos and the family can grow. Again, you never know, guys, you never know what you are going to learn from a stranger, because other people watch these videos and they comment, and when they comment, we learn something new. I am trying to see how I can dub these videos in different languages. I'm still new at it, so yeah. The other day I tried it, but I clicked the wrong language. I put it in English and it was sounding so awful, it wasn't funny. But anyways, let me see if I can dub them in Spanish, in Chinese, or whatever, okay, to increase the boundaries of this. Okay, anyways guys, thank you very much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.